7-7. It looks like meron kang na-manifest dito dahil dito sa super effort na ginawa at pinamalas mo dati. So, you're showing me that you are the kind of energy na pag may, like your words matches your actions. Okay, so it looks like meron ka ditong mama-manifest, no? Like kung ano man tong mama-manifest na ito, it looks like this is your wish fulfillment here. Look at that. It looks like it's related to love. Ooh. Okay. Let us. Oh, I'm hearing that song. 'Cause there's something in the way you look at me. It's as if my heart knows you're the missing piece. Ooh, the way you look at me, missing piece. Mukhang ito na. Okay, yung kukumpleto ng life. Pero yung iba na-feel ko parang gutom ka eh. Parang yung iba parang gutom, yun 'no, mukhang yan yung may sign rito mga babes 'no, na yung mga energies na mostly nakaka-resonate ay gutom o gutom na naman. Yung iba, mukhang ilang beses na kayong nasaktan nitong tao na 'to 'no, yung iba pinapakita rito maaaring 3 beses na kayo ditong nasaktan or yung feeling ninyo parang 3 beses na nasaktan kayo nitong tao na 'to because of pain 'no, na naramdaman ninyo dito sa person na 'to. Universe did step in sa inyo ritong connection. I love it that the star is right here. 5 of Wands in reverse. 5-5, spiritual number 5 means changes. I love it. The Sun. Bottom of the deck, 6 of Cups, 4 of Wands, wow, and the 10 of Cups. Wow. So if you're still asking if mahal pa kayo nitong person na 'to or na-realize man lang ba niya miss yan kahit konti lang, kahit na 50% lang or kahit less lang, na-realize ba nung person ko, yeah, kung sino man ito, this person here, you're separated right now, you might not talking sa isa't isa 'no, walang communication, pero maaaring iniisip mo, mahal ka pa ba nitong tao na 'to? Yes, mahal ka pa nitong tao na 'to. Pero, universe with the judgment in reverse together with the star 'no, ito nag-form sila rito ng parang holy trinity to protect you guys. Okay, wala tayo ditong religion, I respect every religion ninyo and also, nakikita natin dito 'no, na universe, God, no matter kung anong tawag ninyo 'no, pero pinoprotektahan kayo ni universe. Universe did really stepped in sa inyong koneksyon 'no. Anong ibig mong sabihin, Miss Yan? Let me just get straight to the point even if kakaumpisa pa lang ng paglatag natin dito, kitang-kita na natin 'no. Malinaw pa sa sabaw ng pusit at malinaw pa mga babes 'no, sa kinang ng puti ng kilikili niyo, yes. Taas naman paputi ang kilikili. Sige nga mga babes, so kitang-kita natin dito, okey, na universe, inalis talaga ni universe itong tao na 'to sa buhay mo. Kahit na na-realize niya pa ngayon na mahal niya kayo, hindi na hahayaan ni universe na makabalik ito sa buhay ninyo. Judgment is in reverse position. It's like the universe is making this bold statement na never, never ever, na ibabalik namin itong tao na 'to sa buhay mo, collective, dahil itong person na 'to ay hindi para sa'yo. You deserve, so much more. Okay. So, kahit na mahal pa kayo, nare-realize ng tao na 'to, na mahal niya kayo ngayon or mahal niya pala ikaw talaga, wala na. Yan. So, hi and hello dear collective, my name is Yan, that's the very powerful start ng ating message from this. Very serious, very heavy, the weight is very heavy at yun talaga yung mensahe ni universe for you guys, okay? So, hi sa ating mga bago, new subscribers. My name is Yan. Welcome. Tuloy po, pwede nyo dalhin dito ang buong Barkada family, kahit crush ninyo, jowa nyo. Tara na. Ayain ng lahat, Welcome kayo dito. Labas-masok kayo rito kahit dun sa kabila kong channel. Yes, you heard it right. Meron pa tayong isa pang channel. Link yan down below sa ating description box. If interested, just click that link para mapunta kayo there. At araw-araw nag-upload na ng collective readings for all signs doon. At syempre, sa mga istambars ko, walang sawang tumatambay 24/7. Thank you so much mga babes king. Wala talaga kayong kapatid-patid sa pagsuporta at pagmamahal for me. I love you all guys. Maraming everyone, your born, everyone. Thank you so much. Okay? So, yun nga, wala rin tayo dito ng gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat ay welcome. Namja, Yoja, okay, lahat LGBT, welcome dito. And also, wala tayo ditong time period, pwedeng nangyari na to some of you. Sa iba, nangyayari na po ito ngayon. Sa iba, mangyayari pa lang, Pero bakit nga ba andito ka at naririnig mo ito? Dahil sa itong matibay na mensahe na ang person mo rito ay malapit ng gumawa ng movement dito. Your ex who betrayed you, hurt you 3 times more, or the pain is so hirap, na i-bear dati, and yung iba sa inyo, maybe you're curious to know, or maybe this is you, wala na lang, pero minahal niya ba talaga ako? Or mahal niya ba ako? Or na-realize niya ba kahit minsan miss niya na mahal niya ako? Well, for a lot of them, yes. Nare-realize nila, marami sa kanila ngayon ang nare-realize nila, ikaw ang kanilang mahal. Marami sa kanila ngayon ang pinagluluksa, itong pagkawala ng inyong connection. Yeah, this is not just little late, but too late for this person to realize all of this. At makakabangga nila si universe dito. Yeah, they're feeling totoong nalulungkot, totoong sadness, Nararamdaman talaga nila yun right at this very moment, sweetheart. This person here betrayed you, went into a third-party situation, thought that the grass is greener on the other side, but it's not pala. And yung iba naman na maaaring walang in-involve dito na someone else or third-party na person, but maybe this person here chose a different pathway instead na pathway papunta sa'yo. Two of Swords energy, Wheel of Fortune, the universe will not let this connection, na ma-revive dito, The universe will not let this reconciliation happen even if this person, this ex of yours realize ngayon na mahal niya kayo, that nagluluksa siya ngayon because of this separation, that nalulungkot siya ngayon dahil dito, sa kanya ritong late realization. However, yeah, this person here thinking about you very heavily. This person here is mas naiisip niya kayo ngayon, At sa mga darating na araw dito, this person here will definitely make a movement to talk to you, to communicate with you, but the universe will definitely interfere once again. Inalis talaga itong tao na to, sorry, nabubulol Tagalogs. Inilis talaga ni universe itong tao na 'to sa life mo, sweetheart, kasi this person is someone na hindi ka-match ng energy mo, okey? Someone na hindi para sa'yo, yun yung nakikita natin dito. Talagang inalis siya, okey? Kahit na mahal ka pa niya ngayon. Kahit na nasa isip niya, nasa buong pagkatao niya ang baguhin ang lahat-lahat for you para lang magkabalikan kayo, this person here, sorry to say, but he or she is not really the one for you. Universe talaga, inalis talaga siya sa life mo. Okay. And universe is making a final decision, judgment in reverse energy star card na hindi na nila ito ibabalik sa buhay mo. This person caused a lot of pain sa'yo, a lot of problem, a lot of complicated situations. You've been through a lot, no? Dito sa tao na 'to 'no, Five of Wands in reverse position is an energy na hindi mo na yan mararanasan ever, ever again. Five of Coins energy, the universe will continue to block this person here, so you will definitely hesitate if this person here texted you, mag-chat sa'yo, call you, tumawag sa'yo, 'no, mag-send ng email or puntahan kayo, you will feel that kind of hesitation. Yeah, mapagkakatiwalaan ko ba siya ulit? Am I really ready to suffer again? If maulit-ulit ang ginawa nitong tao na 'to, I just can't imagine myself na nandudun ulit sa situation na yon, and that's when hesitation comes. And that hesitation, okay, ay galing dito kay universe, the messengers, your angel guides, your guardian angel, sweetheart, and even the battalion of spirit guides ninyo, no, yun yung magpapadala ng messages rito sa inyo, no. Kaya mararamdaman ninyo na as you face this person here, okay, like makikita mo siya, kaharap mo, whether in front of you personally, face to face, pero yung iba pwedeng sa video call, or you're gonna hear this person's voice again, definitely, you will hesitate. But you will feel as well na totoo yung mga sinasabi niya sa'yo. This person here will ask for your forgiveness. This person here will definitely apologize, say sorry to you, make amends, everything, but you will hesitate. That hesitation is your protection. Holy Trinity is being showed to me because the universe wants you to receive so much more. Okay? You learned a lot from this past lover. You learned how to stand sa iyong sariling faith. You learned paano maging smarter, maging matalino next time. You learned everything because of this person, and you see your worth at the end, 'di ba? Of all of this pain. Nakita mo yung halaga mo, no? And yeah, the universe right here, no? They are setting you up, no, sa bagong makaka-date ninyo. The sun is right here. The person who will bring a lot of positivity in your life. This person here will enlighten not just your heart but also your mind with everything. Possibilities of growing, possibilities, no, ng pag yabong ng inyo rito, no, na life ay makikita mo when this person here enters your life. Okay? 1 plus 9 is 10, but this is the sun energy. Ending means new beginning. And this person will be the start of everything. You see everything new, you value right here, no, everything new, you gonna try everything new, okay, because this person here will encourage you to do so. 5 is an energy right here of changes, positive changes. This person here is embodying this light aura, and as you can see, baliktaran ito, no? So it looks like you could be seeing or marami kang makikita rito, no, ng mga repeating numbers, mirroring numbers, and even angel numbers, no? And that's the sign because you will malapit na, no, na makilala itong person na to that will bring a lot of sun sa life mo, no? Six of Cups is an energy that this is the person here na nakikita natin dito na siya yung talagang true soulmate mo, yung tinutukoy ni universe na mamimit mo, magma-match ng energy mo. Because this ex-lover, even though na ma-realize nila na magbago for good for you, or ma-realize nila rito that they still love you, that you're the one pala talaga, no? Hindi siya yung nagma-match ng energy mo. Because this person is the one na magma-match ng energy mo. And you will not stop smiling every day as the sun goes up. Alam naman natin na araw ay sumisikat araw-araw, 'no? And imagine yourself smiling like this every day, 'di ba? Sobrang sarap sa feeling, 'no? So definitely your life with this new person will start na umikot, and I do see that you will love this type of new life. I'm also seeing marriage dito sa inyong energy. So as you engage and spend more time with this person, you're gonna see this person as husband, wife material, future spouse material. And yeah, I love it because the Ten of Cups is here. This new person is your happily ever after right here. Your Prince Charming, your princess, your queen, your king, your empress, your emperor. Someone who will bring a lot of sunshine in your life, someone who will bring a lot of positivity in your life, and there's nothing more that you can ask because blessings will really pour sa inyo rito na life, no? And the universe is blessing this connection here, no? Ninyong dalawa. So, wow, 'di ba? So may mga tao talagang inaalis sa life natin dahil hindi sila nababagay, no? Sa ating life, no? Dahil hindi nila rito na pupunan yung atin talaga ritong wish. Kasi when we wish really, no, of something really na talagang alam natin na makakapagbigay ng happiness sa atin, no, universe is giving us, no, more than sa ating ine-expect. And then here, I do see na yung happiness mo rito, no, ay sobrang mas angat pa, no? Ilang folds ito kaysa dun sa pain na natamo mo because of your past lovers. So, yeah, for the initials right here, yes, we do have, unang-una na dyan, capital letter Y. We also have capital letter K. We also have capital letter J. Andito rin ang capital letter B as in boy. We also have here capital letter victory V. Andito rin capital letter C. And for the rest of the letters, we have U, A. We also have here R, and we also have here the letter S. And last but not the least, the letter. What's your hula? F. Okay, so yeah, these are all the messages. Thanks you so much. Thank you so much. Again, I'm Mariana Oni. Sarang heyo, love and light. Annyeong.